This is a yellow label CPC4, which is a revision 2. At ERD, we have repaired thousands of CPC4s, and this is just one of the many types. This particular one was a reflashed core done last year at Detroit Reman, who handles the cores for Freightliner. This yellow label version is a 500K speed module, which is the faster of all the types. It is not advised to swap these between trucks, as the modules are physically set to run at their configured speed. The video attached shows our custom software test, which allows us to final test the modules before shipment. This custom test system, which simulates the truck, is interfaced with a diesel laptop, and as seen in the video, we use our diesel laptop to clear faults and set the clock. Also shown in the video is the instrument panel, which allows us to verify the accelerator commands we are generating with the simulator are being read properly by the CPC4. This is one of the main failures of these modules.